Hey Ross, what's this?
It's a Spirea japonica.
Alright. We got a friend John over here, gandering at a nice shrub.
Oh, this is a rhododendron PJM.
Really?
Yeah.
Well, looky here. Describe what it looks like.
It's a broadleaf evergreen.
Really?
Yeah.
Well, how neat is that?
Yeah. These leaves will curl in the cold weather.
Perfect.
Yeah. Some stuff here. Let's see some awesome plants.
Yep.
Ah, something poked me.
Well, that's the yucca.
Oh, the prickly little thing it is.
Yeah, it's got all these pointies on it and
Yeah.
little thorns on it.
Don't touch it, Ross.
Uh-huh.
It's a yucca. It'll hurt you.
Yes, it will.
Yeah.
Look at this big garden we got.
Man. Oh, I gotta love it.
Gotta love it.
Look at this clematis hybrid.
Fantastic.
Look at all its foliage and green.
Yeah, it's
leaves.
beautiful.
What's that tree?
This is a Betula nigra because it its bark is peeling and looks like a
Betula.
betula.
You betcha.
You betula.